Yo! Welcome. I'm just gonna resize this window. I'm gonna sticky it so then it stays on my screen. Alright, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm pretty sure I'm the only Linux YouTuber you watch. But yeah, thank you. Hold on, I'm gonna be back. Alright, I'm back. Just had to get myself a drink. Hello! Hello, hello, hello. Alright, so I am making a game inspired by Minecraft, and the way voxel games work that have chunks is you can only have one texture for a chunk. So I'm implementing a system that takes all the block textures and strings them together into one giant texture. That's where I am right now. So I'm going to create a test project just so I can get this actually working. Yeah. Minecraft uses something called Perlin noise to generate terrain, and Perlin noise takes in a seed as because it's a seeded random value. So it's random, but it's also reproducible. Which, speaking of, I'm actually back on Endeavor OS. I had too many problems with Nix OS. But yeah, so I'm gonna add the image crate. The colored crate, why not? Pretty text, Toml, Serde. That should be it. And then I'm gonna cargo.toml. I'm gonna alright, so version and then features derive. That should be it. Now if I cargo run, it will compile all the stuff. And so now, what I'm going to do is have some sort of atlas making function. So, I will have, Let me actually see what the syntax of saving an image is. So wait, cd coding rust cermic get pull origin main. Okay, good. It's up to date. This is what I want. Yes, so I need to figure out where I'm opening up an image. So, image open. Alright. So what I have to do is make an array. So what, oh wait, wrong thing. Yeah, so I need to make an array with like a so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have this read the textures in dev, synplay, survival. This is where I'm keeping my assets for now. So I'll have it read the textures in there. And then let's see. Oh, okay. So actually, block atlas from, and so yeah, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to create this function. And this will return image buff, I think. Or no, dynamic image, I think. I'm going to use image. And what I'm going to do is then I'm going to read, so path str, and then I'm gonna have it so then let image files, this will be read directory, or I'll call this function ls path, and then inside of, so all the image files, and then let image array, this will be a vec dynamic image, and then I'm going to say image files dot into iter dot collect, I believe. Of course, I'm also going to need function ls. This will return, yep, Helix. It's an awesome text editor. This will return vec string. Path str, and then I believe, let match stdfs reader path okay, but if it errors out, then I want to return error. So actually this is going to be of type result. Use stdio. And why not fs as well? Use stdfs, and then I'm gonna have to move this. Right. Let contents equal. And then return contents. Because Rust is just so nice to use, it feels amazing every time I use it. And like the macro system and stuff, and the enums and structs, God, it's so magical. Also like the selection of crates. Like I can actually show you a good example of where I'm using macros to save myself a ton of code. If I go into the distr directory and I go to package manager's boilerplate, I have this macro, and it's called package manager boilerplate, and it basically inserts all this code wherever I put it. And then I also have other macros for like install, uninstall, upgrade, sync, and that basically allows me to, if I want to instantiate a new package manager, I have to basically say pubmod package manager name. Then I have to import all the macros, and I have to call the package manager boilerplate macro, and that basically inflates all that code in here at compile time. Then I say like, oh, Flatpak has a command for installing packages. It also has a command for uninstalling packages. It has a command for upgrading packages, but since the upgrade command also syncs the repositories, there's no need for a sync command, so I don't add that macro. Then I just write this little function, and bam, that's one package manager. So I can instantiate many, many package managers this way. And this one is kind of long because it's the native package manager. But yeah, like for example, cargo has no command for updating or upgrading by default, so I added just those two. And like Rust just makes things easier. Yeah, learn Python. It's pretty useful. Python is actually my first language. Rust is my second language. If there was... Well, the thing about Rust is it is harder to learn than, say, C, but it has a more consistent curve. So with other languages, you'll learn it, and it will be easy to learn, but as you go on in the language, stuff just gets harder and harder. But with Rust, it's hard in the beginning, and then it just feels like a dream to write once you know it. You can run GD. Can you run GD script on the desktop? I would not buy an Apple Silicon Mac. And the only reason I say that is I would not support Apple. Yeah, GD script I know runs in Godot. Yeah. I actually think Yeah, I have Godot installed actually. Ooh, did they polish up the interface? This actually looks really nice now. Looks like someone with the solarized color scheme designed it. I like it. But now it refuses to close. There we go. No, Godot uses its own graphics library for the Oh wait, what happened to Thunar? There, now Thunar's on my system. Yeah, no, this is my GTK theme that I'm using. I'm using the Linux Mint GTK theme with the Papyrus icon theme. Alright, where was I? Yes. Contents. Popcat ranting? What does that mean? Something wrong with Papyrus? Alpha Technology. Also, Alpha Technology, you gotta upload a new video, man. Well, yeah, I figured. I just didn't know what Popcat ranting was. Okay. Yeah, just as long as you get a new video out. I've been waiting for ages. Actually, let's see, I'm gonna go to YouTube. Hope the homepage doesn't suggest anything weird. Good. And I'm gonna go to Alpha Technology. See how many subs you have. Exactly 1, 2, 3. Nice. Yeah, sub to him. He's got some pretty awesome stuff. He doesn't really post, but the stuff he has posted is actually pretty good. Oh, yeah, thoughts. I don't really do that much in text. Are you a Linux user? Baco? Linux Enjoyer. Nice. Actually, in Vimjoyer's Discord server, I actually, my nickname is Uglo, Helix Joyer. Welcome. Welcome. Welcome to my humble abode. How many people do we have in here? 77, 97, 98. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Map dot unwrap. Okay, Zeth. I switch on and off. It's annoying to use because my friends use primarily Xbox Live and I would need to use my Xbox to talk to them. I wish there was an Xbox chat app for Linux. If there was, I'd use it. So it's worth it or overrated? What's your Minecraft name? Yeah, Xbox is definitely an issue on Linux. NixOS, worth it or overrated? It's definitely not overrated. Let me state that clear. It's an amazing operating system, but it's a time sink. It takes a lot of time to get a working system up and running. The reason I ran it is because, I was annoyed with how long it took to set up. But in my mind, it didn't matter because it's reproducible, so I'd only have to do it once. And my Minecraft username is OgloMC. OgloMC. Right here. Here are some of my skins that I've been using. So, the Enderman one. So, there's this one, the Enderman one, whatever this is. Oh, yeah, no. If you're a noob with Linux, don't even go near NixOS. Not even moderate Linux users are really able to use NixOS most of the time. What is wrong with this code? Don't use ZorinOS. It's ancient. A dangerously ancient. It's running GNOME 3, for goodness sake. Yeah, if I were to recommend a distribution, there are two main recommendations. If you want something that works and you can just set it and forget it, and never touch it again, just do your work on it, but you're fine with slightly older packages, slightly, not ancient, but just slightly, maybe 6 months, I recommend Pop OS. So Pop OS, pop.system76.com. I can send that to you. And then another one, if you want the newest packages and you're fine with learning a little bit about Linux, which I recommend, because you're willing to learn a little bit about how Linux works and stuff. Another good one is EndeavourOS. That's what I'm using right now. Yeah, no problem. I hope that helps. And then, let's see. Yeah. Alright, this is always what annoys me, is writing the ls function. I need to, like, make a crate. Yeah. Coding Rust Simplay src file system.rs list items. Let's see. fsread directory. For I in fsreader. Path display toString as str. Path display toString path. What? Unwrap. What? Why? Oh. Oh, okay. That's why. The Replit community just made a website about recommendations on what to use instead of Replit because they've been changing pricing a lot, and some stuff is just ridiculous. What the heck is Replit? Well, the thing with Zorin OS is when you pay them, you're actually just supporting them. Like, you don't have to pay them, but if you pay them, they'll put some extra work into it and stuff. And, like, you get technical support and stuff as well. So I think it's actually a good kind of payment. Like, you could easily just install Solitaire and LibreOffice yourself. It's not that hard. So it's really just a glorified donate button. Into iterator. Map, collect, into iterator, map, collect, path, display, just formatting my code, toString. Match image. Oh wait. Use image. Use image. Dynamic image. Match image. Open. X. Match okay, error, return error. Huh. Yeah. Proprietary code IDEs hosted on the web is honestly not a great thing. Mismatch types, expected result found enum. Let's just say this is nothing for now. What the heck? Alright, into iterator map. Well, okay. Dot unwrap. Okay. What's going on here? Oh, wait. Okay. That's weird. The trait as reference path bound. What happened to just hosting your code locally and via Git? That's what I do. Like, why are people so frenzied about the cloud? There's nothing wrong with hosting your code locally. What is going on? Why is this trying to act up? How many people are actually watching this? Just 5 people. Yeah. Yeah, that's weird. I'm actually surprised that I only have like 5 people in here. Image array. I'm actually using a System76 launch heavy. What the heck? Why am I getting so many errors? Wow, this is annoying. Mismatch types expected enum. What? I am so confused right now. What is... Ugh. Huh. What is going on? Huh. Wait. Oh my god, I'm using True Color. That's ugly. I need to rewrite parts of Ceramic. Okay. Image open. Where? Okay. What? I'm so confused right now. What do I... Hey. Why would you buy a USB with Linux on it? Why not just flash your own? Flashing a USB only takes like 5 minutes. Maybe less, depending on how big the ISO is. Ventoy's cool, but it has a lot of issues. Honestly, I just use Balena Etcher, and I flash the ISO to the entire drive. Image, match image, open. Image open I. Why? I am so confused right now. Why is this saying it's returning nothing when it's clearly returning something? I've never had this error before. Why? Okay, what if I try and compile this? What would that give me? Alright. Oh. Okay. Okay. Wait. The trait as ref path is not implemented for... Alright, so I could just, what could I do? As str, that's what I'll do. Wait, but Why is this referencing a... Oh my god. I think I know why. Wait, what's my function in Cermic for No, it's clearly working. What? I am so confused right now. Yes, Josh, it's not a Gentoo video, I know. I don't have the patience to use Gentoo. Oh, God. Actually, I left. Because, I was fed up with having to fix my speakers. So I'm actually back on EndeavourOS, and I have my tool installed with pseudo reproducibility, so I'm good. Also, the Linux cache is going to have a really bad time on NixOS because I sent him a bunch of advice that he should follow, and he just keeps ignoring me. So he's going to have a lot of bad times trying to rediscover that I just told him about. Very nice, Chipalt. Very nice. Yeah, this is so annoying. I can't figure out why the heck this is refusing to work. Alright, see ya. Why? Ah! Image files for in image files. It's listing the directory. It's literally listing the directory. It's returning a vector of strings. Oh, Rust is great. This is just a weird logical bug, because stdfs is garbage, as with any low-level std library. Oh, yeah. For debug purposes, I got to remove this so it returns nothing. Or I can symbolize that it should return something like this. I've been returning the image. I have another example where I have been doing this, but I lost the code for it, so now I have to redo it all. Not found in I just need to learn more about this stuff, because I don't really mess with this stuff very often, so like the Rust code that I write is usually well documented and stuff. Okay, that worked. So what I'm going to do is I am going to print out this for I in image files iter. And I'm going to print out PRINTLN exclamation, print that out. Okay, so what is happening here? CCR That is so weird. You know what could be happening? What I think, like, maybe I just have to, No, because it's returning just fine. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna modify an already existing version of this that I wrote. These are honestly cryptic bugs. I don't understand how I'm getting these. File system, file system. Which one did I place it in file system? Yeah. Read list directory. So I'm gonna copy this. Wait. Oh, crap. Yeah, okay. I need to keep it open for it to actually work. So, src file system list directory. Copy all this. Yank. And then paste. And delete this crap. Buffer close. Rename this to ls. And now it should work. At least I really hope it works. Let's see. Shall we? Oh, CCR. It's still just printing out one giant array. What is going on? It's what? This is so weird. What is going on here? I've never had this issue ever in my life. What the heck? How did I end up getting an array embedded inside of another array? Am I just tired? What the heck? Oh, that is so weird. Method not found. For what? What? Oh, okay, yeah. My brain was just acting up. I forgot to handle the error. I'm just gonna .unwrap so it crashes if there's an error. Right, okay. Sorry for that. That was just my brain acting up. So, this should work now. Image array, dynamic image. I'm gonna do println opening image, or adding image, and then I'll do I dot bright. Let me import colored. Use colored colorize. So now I can do I dot bright green. Why not? So now CCR. Okay, I need to filter out all the XCFs. Because I have some GIMP files in there too. So what I'm gonna do is dot into iter dot collect to make sure it still works. I'm gonna do vec string. Hello, Alexa. I love saying that name so much. Filter. Yeah, filter x. If x does not end with .xcf, then it can be pushed. Or actually, if x ends with .png, that's a better one. Now let me try it. And what do you know? It works. It adds all the images to the array. And so, now, let me write a base name function just to make this clearer. Pub function base name. Ah, my nose. It's so stuffy here in Texas. Austin, Texas. Let segments string vec new for I in path dot trim dots. Are you kidding me? It is humid. It is so humid outside. Texas is one of the definitions of humidity. Like, it's wet in the air. It's not raining, but it's like hot water just floating in the air here in Texas. Yeah, you do have a point there. I could open a window. It is fall now, so it's not as hot. It's maybe like 75 degrees outside. That's pretty good. Trim that split. I'm gonna split on file system character. Segments dot push I as str. Alright, have fun crashing your sound system. Yeah, NixOS is super annoying when it comes to getting LSPs working. Yeah, that's my annoyance with NixOS. Like, the reason I wanted to use it, even though I knew it'd be super hard to get stuff working, is that once I did get the stuff working, I would never have to do it again. But honestly, with my Dister tool, I don't really see the point. Yeah, Vim Joyer sent me, I think I referred it to you, Elixir. There's like a, an environment variable you can set in NixOS for Rust LSP to work. I am programming in Rust, my favorite language. It is the best programming language I have ever used. Honestly, that's not that cursed. See, NixOS cannot do reproducibility with crates and Flatpaks, whereas Distr can. So what you can do is just leave the packages field empty and then just fill in Flatpaks and crates. And then you basically have a fully reproducible system. So it honestly would not be that cursed. Okay, so one thing that Rust has going for it that other languages don't is that other languages are easy to learn in the beginning, but they exponentially get harder as you learn new things about the language. What Rust is it's hard at the beginning, but once you learn those hard parts about Rust when you're first starting out, Rust never becomes hard ever again. It's a torture to write in the beginning, but once you get past that initial beginning phase, Rust is basically never hard ever again. Oh yeah, let's take a look at that. I can show you some of these textures. G-thumb. Yeah. Me and NixOS, it's a love-hate relationship. Dev, simple assets, texture, assets, textures, blocks, block, disown, exit. So these are the blocks. Some of them are not visible because XCF. Yeah, like this one. So I have all these gems. Some people said these look like Minecraft blocks, like the ones from Minecraft, but the funny thing is, like, I even compared it, I was like, yeah, that looks like Minecraft, but it's actually one I made by hand, which is kind of odd. I might change them just to avoid controversy, but here are some of the textures, and let's see if I can find bedrock.png. Oh, found it. Here's bedrock.png. Bedwalk. But yeah, so for iron repo. Oh wait, this is Distr or Cermic. Good morning, Anam. So what if I so I'm just gonna pub function name without dot. Yeah, that makes sense. Let mut a segment vec string vec new for I in path dot trim dot split on the dot segments dot push I dot to string. I'm not gonna bother putting this in a macro because this is just test code. I dot to string return segments 0 to string. Let me also, so I can wrap this in another function, name without dots as str. Just make sure it works. Yeah, it works. So what I am going to do is what I need to do how many people are actually watching? Alright, this is kind of boring. Do you guys want to do something else? Personally, I have to stop because I've actually been doing this for quite a while. What I can do is play you guys a song I made for my game. I want you guys to tell me what you think. You may have to turn the volume a little bit up. They're a bit quiet. Yeah, so if you guys want to join the server for the game, I can actually send the link. Sure. Yeah, you can actually access all the assets publicly. GitLab Ogre 12 Simplay dash assets. Yeah, so I'll send the link. So basically, just go to that link, and inside of the assets directory, inside of music, you'll find it. It's called sacred_blocks. You can just download it. There's also the .json file. That's what you import into Jumbbox if you want to make some edits and stuff. So the source for the music is actually publicly available. This old directory hosts some other music I made with something called Online Sequencer, which is far inferior to Jumbbox. And it actually doesn't let me save the source, so. I'm glad you like it. Yeah, if you want, I can play some of the other songs for you guys, too. It's a Minecraft-inspired game. Here, I can send you guys the link to the Discord. Invite link. Discord. Yeah, I like them too because they're just kind of there as background music. They don't have vocals or anything like that. They're just nice and simple. Let's see. Yeah, so, Jumbbox. I made 3 other songs with Jumbbox so far. I'm very new to this software, so I'm still learning, but file import. The first song I ever made in Jumbbox is this one. Yeah, that's the first song I made in Jumbox. The second one is one of my favorites. Import song. Also, I'm sorry I didn't welcome you guys yet. I tried to mute just so, where's the welcome? Yeah. Welcome. And actually, I've been giving everyone who joins before the game releases OG. So, congrats. Just so people know that... Ah, he left. He left. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if you go to old pictures and videos archive, you can see like pictures of me developing it, making sure it works. No, I want you in there. I don't see why not. This is when I found out I can run like this is when I found out that when I get a chunking system in, I could run it at like 200 render distance. Steam Deck compatibility is a good thing. Don't worry, I wouldn't ban you for something like that. Sheesh, I'm not the Linux cast. But yeah, these are old screenshots. It's, basically, I guess you could say... Yeah, I know. Yeah, so it's it's inspired by Minecraft. So the same idea, like sandbox survival, but I'm planning on taking it in my own direction. Making something unique. This is one of my first rewrites. I did it in Python. Golly, that version was slow. This is a video that's actually on my channel. It's one of my rewrites. Yeah, now I'm developing the game in Bevy, but before that I was developing it in Ursina, so I was using Python as the development language, whereas now I'm using Rust and Bevy, which is so much faster. It's unbelievably faster. But yeah, this is some old screenshots. This is when I experimented with clouds. And it's actually layered, so like clouds on top of each other and stuff. This is me making animations for the player. Yes, I hope Ferris approves. And this is like, these are the oldest screenshots. And then, this is the oldest screenshot. This is like from 2020, maybe 2019, I'm not sure. Void Linux. I tried running Void on one of my laptops. It just crashes. Like, it also refuses to run the installer. I don't know, Void is just buggy as F. But yeah, that's the game. Still very basic. Has no gameplay. Yeah. Also, like, the whole thing, if you have to, like, manually turn on stuff like NTP, it's just stupid. So stupid. It is, there are playable versions, but they're really bad because they're written in Python. That's why I'm rewriting it so much, is to get something optimized that I can work off. And the reason it's taking so long is I'm trying to implement multiplayer authentication of sorts, so like it's impossible to cheat in the game. So, like, for example, what Minecraft does is it basically trusts the client. Like, it says, like, okay, server, I want you to load a chunk here. Okay, server, I moved here. And the server's like, okay, updating the position. But what I want is for the client to not be trusted. So it basically says, okay, server, I am walking forward. Server says, okay, I am moving you for you. The client says, okay, server, I want you to load this chunk. The server's like, okay, loading the chunk for you. But if the server detects something malicious, like a hacked client, then it will say, okay, you've been denied. And there might be a punishment, like the server might kick the client if it sends a bad packet. Something like that. Anywho, next song. The one I made after Dreamy is Bliss. Yeah. And it's honestly easier than I'd expect in the Rust. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go and mute so I don't... Actually, can I get a yay or nay? If I constantly press the mute button, do I actually mute? I actually do mute? Okay. I am using Endeavor OS, which is not a garbage OS. See, it has this update notifier, which I like. It tells me, like, hey, I have 3 upstream updates. I actually like that. Okay, see ya. I just wanted to make sure it worked. There's also the, welcome... once. There's the EOS Welcome app, and this is actually super useful. Sometimes something may break, so I click one of these. It's actually quite useful. Alright, anyhow, I'm gonna go on mute now, so I can play the song. Oh, Arch. Yeah, Arch is garbage, but some of the Arch-based distributions are pretty good. Maybe I'll try Gentoo. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go on mute now. Oh, you want to see how many parallel downloads I have enabled? I set my pacman.conf to do 20 parallel downloads. So Pacman, yes, it goes brr. Honestly, I haven't had issues with Pacman. People say, like, I'll have dependency issues and stuff, but I've had those in the past, and the way I've resolved those is instead of removing a package with pacman-r, I instead use pacman-rns. This removes all the dependencies of that package that are also not actively installed. Alright. The other song that people actually did not seem to like, yeah, Pacman works, so I like it. Honestly, I don't really care too much about the package manager. The other song I wrote that some people didn't like that much is this one. No, the reason Zypper is slow is it doesn't parallel download. Yeah, I really don't know music theory. Let's see what Zany said. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, the only music theory I really learned is like the basic chords and how to, like, when you place notes in your song, you should make it based on the chords. Right, so Zany said I could actually promote my server, which is nice of him. Very nice. Copy. Yeah. Yeah, Anom is a lot like me. He messages, like, he actually messages people in his DMs a lot. From what I can tell. Like, I get a message from him basically every day. Off topic. Oh wait, wrong invite link. Dang, what? Let's see what I'm using from here. Copy link address. Zany. Almost at 100 members, though. Nice. Yeah, my on and off Japanese teacher, we do stuff through Discord. Alone in Japanese. Let's go. Alcohol. But yeah, this is like a bunch of words. Fun. Oh yeah, if you guys want some of my links, they're actually right here. Also, what is going on with my browser font? Let me open up NWG. My GTK theme looks fine. Why is Brave not respecting my font? It did on NixOS, which is actually one of those places where NixOS excels. Also, another place NixOS, for whatever reason, is really good is with CMatrix. Well, Brave, the font applies to the entirety of Brave on NixOS for whatever reason, but not here. Also, like, on other distros, CMatrix has this weird gray background, whereas on NixOS it's transparent, as it should be. So I actually, when I'm on Arch-based distributions, I use NeoMatrix. Honestly, it doesn't bother me, though. Brave works, so. I assume you're new to Linux. Am I right? Oh yeah, no, you don't want a background on CMatrix. Yeah, it's Hyperland. Window managers often do that, like standalone window managers. I'm gonna change the title. There we go. Alright, see ya. Have a fun day at school. I'm gonna, I'm gonna actually play some Card Life if you guys want to see that. That did really well last time I did that, so I kind of want to do it. Yeah, I know what you mean. Some windows have their own, like, weird embedded title bar, so. Oh yeah, have you not seen Card Life? It's actually quite fun. Yeah. Yeah, browsers are weird. They take up so much RAM, and they use their own graphics libraries, and Electron exists. It's weird. It's just weird. I think the only sane browser, and like, I know there's going to be some people who don't believe I'm saying this. I think the only sane browser is Epiphany, aka GNOME Web. Because they actually like use GTK and stuff, and it makes sense because it's a literal GNOME app. So, yeah. Actually, I was watching an interesting video about oh wait. Should I How do I stop the stream just so I don't do anything with my credentials? There we go. I'm just gonna turn off the screen real quick while I do this. Yeah, I just turned off the Wayland thing. So. Why do you think my bar is yucky? What's bad about it? Oh no, it's Waybar. It's Waybar. And then, wait, did I have a browser open? What the heck? I am so confused right now. Oh wait, you guys can't see my screen, I don't think. Wait, can you see my screen? God, I hate having to use Gmail. Yep, I am running Hyperland. And okay, I'm signed into Steam, so I'll turn my screen back on. Alright, I think you guys can see my screen now, so. Time to watch Steam act up, I guess. Oh, this is cool. I can blur my entire thing. Yeah, I wasn't using the QR code, though. I was using my email. Which, I don't know why, but if you guys want to send me an email, it's just oglougluagla@tutanota.com. Alright, Card Life. Oh, yeah, I have to mount my drive. Ew. What happened here? Why no GTK theme? I don't like that. Card Life. Where the heck are you? Ah, yes! This is the most annoying part of setting up Steam on Linux. Is then, you have to configure it. Well, Maybe I'm the only one who has this issue. Compatibility, yeah. Is the stream stuck? Huh. Honk. Oh, here it is. Honk. Doesn't seem to be stuck for me. Here it is. Honk. Doesn't seem to be stuck for me. Here it is. Oh crap. Okay. Let's see what I can do about this. Oh yeah, no. OBS is also frozen for... oh, this is weird. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Start streaming. Does that fix anything? Weird. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Let's see what I can do. Start stream. Does that fix anything? All right, I'm just gonna restart. Oh, this is weird. Okay. Alright, is it fixed? Yeah, I just had to restart OBS, although the quality looks kind of bad now. Alright, is it... whatever, though. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, so now I'm gonna start up Tech Hard Life. Hard Life and... oh, right, I have to add the downloads. I install everything to a separate drive. Storage. Add a storage. There we go. There's all the games. Oh. Yeah, that'd be cool. And I just did what you probably should never do. I accepted a EULA blind. I am not proud of myself right now. That was a bad move. Anywho, let's play some games. Yeah, I actually came back to NixOS briefly, but that ended after like 24 hours. Look at my character. My character. Damn. Yeah. Oh, you can see the tools from last stream sitting on a bench. For those of you who missed the last stream, I made a bunch of awesome looking tools. Like, they were masterpieces. They looked amazing. I'm honestly so proud of myself for making such awesome looking tools. I can show you guys when I load in. What, Hyperland? My Hyperland config? Yeah, if you guys want to Yeah, if you guys want to gander at my Hyperland config, you guys can. Right there. I just cracked my neck. I feel like it's a very Texan thing to drink Topo Chico all the time. Here my, oh yeah, let me show you the beautiful things I've created. I created bubble armor with giant feet. And then, my epic wrench sword. It's a sword, but it looks like a wrench. My, pickaxe thing. And then, communism. That's my scythe. My axe. My, shovel. Which is by far the most beautiful one, if I do say so myself. And then, 9 is my crossbow, which is also one of the more beautiful ones. Yeah. So, yeah. And I'm trading both, as you can see here. Please don't take that out of context. But yeah, let's continue the building. This game is super fun, but the development team behind it is not the best. So why am I so... Oh, hunger. I'm gonna move this up here. The Card Life development team, they just haven't updated the game in a while, and they recently came back to it, but for a while the game was getting no updates. That kind of thing. They're just not good at managing a game. Honestly, it doesn't matter though, because Card Life already has so much content in it. Yeah, kind of like a Solus situation. But the difference is that this game doesn't really need updates, whereas Solus does. Thank you, Zeph. Thank you. Sayo Selassie, I just took fiber with communism. Fun. Honestly, kind of want to reverse engineer how Card Life's terrain works. Like, how it's shaped like this. My guess is it's some sort of voxel thing. Oh no, Zeph, no. I kind of feel like I'm gonna end up as one of those YouTubers who, like, is super easy to make funny compilations out of context. Because, like, I say a lot of stuff that can be taken out of context so easily. Yeah, that kind of thing. Ho. Ho. Oh, you likey? Well, you can't have it. As one wise man once said, yes. This terrain generation is honestly not half bad, though. Like, the Card Life team did a good job on that. Come here, dear. Come here. I just want your skin. Hello, I want your skin. Give me your skin. Yeah. Give me your skin. No. Yeah. Oh, soul deer. Wait. Oh, but I have all souls. I have a deer soul. Yeah. How come I can't hit you? Come here. Come here. Come here, dear. Come here. Oh, you heal. Oh. I'm gonna have to take you out the old-fashioned way. There we go. Your soul can be left here to rot. Wait. Ah, there we go. Now I need to find out if this is actually better than one of the souls I have. So this is crab soul, deer soul, Pimu soul. God, the deer soul sucks. Goodbye, deer soul. Kind of wanna, whatever that thing is, soul. Oh, I also need to mark my house on the map. The map. You gotta admit, though, this game is charming. Like, it just looks beautiful. Alright. Pull out the map. And place the red dot right there. And now it's time to go hunting. To go hunting. Come here. Hee hee. No souls there. I want this though. Face the wrath. You're just stuck. Yeah, the quality may drop. I mean, it's a live stream. Yeah, the deer was thinking about his life. About it. Ooh, magic. Babooey. Alright, come on, I need a soul dryad. I wanted soul, it's gotta be good. Gotta be good. Come on. Wow, I love this terrain generation and the shape. The layers. It's got layers. So nice. I actually do want to reverse engineer how this terrain works, though. Come on, I need your skin. Where are you? Oh, I gotta go the other way. Butter. I swear, there was a way to get a mini-map on the screen. Controls, interaction, hotbar, camera, social. Text. Dear key, vote creation, what? Yeah, no, I guess they removed it. Weird. Looks like I might have to tunnel through this somehow. Actually, building in this game is more fun than in Minecraft. Oh, hello. There we go. Wait, I might actually have some stuff for building anyways, so, yeah, there we go. 8. Ooh, crystal. Give me some of that crystal. Yeah, oh, diamond. What was it doing out in the open? How does it not work for you? Does it just crash when you open it or something? Maybe try changing your Proton version. Ooh. Ooh, more crystals. Aye. Huh. Weird. What's this? Gimme. Yes. More crystals. Let's go. Sapphire. Ah. Away. Get away. Yeah. That's what happens when you mess with the Oglow. You die. Oh, is that where I died before? Nice. Oh, I have that thing. Oh, let me show you guys how powerful this is. And it's overpowered because you can get it just by equipping mementos. Come here. Insta-kill. At least for these things. More powerful entities are not insta-kill. I'm gonna put this away because I want to save the durability. I'm going into Dryad territory. Wish me luck. Ooh, crystals. I think. Thought I saw crystals. Maybe not. Ah, yeah. There we go. Hee hee. This is copper, I think. Need a stronger pickaxe. Bok bok chicken bok. Alright. 8. No. Yes. What? Oh. I'm starving. Close call. Yeah. Lightsaber cardboard edition. And then here's the In Hyperland We Trust. I wish there was an offhand in this game, though, so that I could hold the torch in my offhand. Yeah. Yeah. Gotta face this way. Yeah. So I gotta climb this. Come here. Don't worry, I just want your skin, that's all. I said, come here. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Place here. Place there. Place everywhere. I heard it. Where is it? Oh, there you are. You're just gonna stand there and accept your fate? Is that right? Okay. Whoa. The physics in this game is a little off. Yeah, it's not horrible, but it's a tiny bit off. Or is it that my FOV is up? What is... Did I not change my FOV? Huh. Weird. Ooh, stuff. Come here. Nice. I got emeralds. Diamonds. Hi. Ooh. You think you're so tough? Oh yeah? You think you're so tough? Face the wrath of my pee-pee. Yes. Give me the diamond. Oh, this thing emits light. Nice. What the heck? Oh. What physics system? The lightsaber emits light. Yes, I have heard of A Vintage Story. In fact, I used to play it a lot. Yeah, it's a really good game. It's just very grindy. Godus? What's Godus? What's Godus? I don't know who Peter Molyneux is. Oh. Okay. Time to climb and climb and climb and climb and... it's card life. Yeah. Huh, interesting. Hui. Yeah, I'm not really much of a gamer. I just did a lot of coding earlier today, so I thought, hey, I deserve to play some Card Life. Yes, I have heard of Valheim, though I don't really know quite what it is. Like, what it's about and stuff. I know it's a game, like a really old game, but I don't know much about it. Oh. Really? I could be thinking of some other game. Thought I saw telltale signs of gems being here. Huh, nice. Open BSD. Hello, my little friend. Do you want to cuddle? Come here. Oh, he mad. Yeah, that's what I thought. Seven. Yeah. Yeah, the physics in this game isn't super realistic. Which is kind of ironic, because I'm pretty sure this game is actually using Unity. Oh. I fell downhill. I keep forgetting how hard climbing in this game is. Nice. Oh, I ran out of stone. Time to mine the wall. gonna switch to dirt, just so I can... Imagine seeing stairs made of dirt. This is a beautiful little hill. But gosh darn it took a lot to get up here. Hold on.
Hey Jackson?
Yeah.
Are you doing some weird stuff with the internet again?
Nope.
Really?
Nope.
Huh.
Goodbye. Hehe. Alright, let's see. Let us see. What way to the Dryads? Face this way. Yes. I love this terrain generation. Do 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 do. Is this how it's gonna be? Because this is horrible. Utterly horrendous. Oh, hi. Come here, you foul. Hee. Oh, wrong tool. There we go. Come here. Did you like that hug? Soul Dryad. That's what I need. Dang it, I'm falling. Oh. My goodness, this is hard. So monotonous, so tiring. All to find a Dryad soul. Where is the Dryad? Give me your meat. Thank you. Thank you. Wow, you are so kind. Thank you for all the gifts. Alright. Hello. Thank you. Alright, so apparently I just have to keep going this way. Communism. Ah, my brother's playing Card Life. Cool. Hi, do you know where I can find a Soul Dryad? No? Okay. Yeah, it's called Card Life. All one word, Cardlife. I'm trying to find a Soul Dryad. Alright, hold on, my dad's calling me. Actually, my mom. Alright, I have to stop the stream. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of rambly stream. I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye. See ya. So what? There we go. Save and quit. Hee hee. End stream. Dish